Hello and welcome. My name is Gavin and I am the lead developer of OtterPocket. If you haven't heard yet, what is OtterPocket? Well, basically, it's the coolest thing ever. No, but what it is a decentralized file storage application. What does that mean? Well, right now, the web is undergoing this huge, exciting transformation of technology. It's going from a Web 2.0 centralized network to a Web 3.0, a decentralized network. Why is that so important? Why do we care? Well, think for a second where your data is stored right now. If you were to like something or upload a picture to Instagram or upload a video to YouTube, where is that data? Well, really, it's wherever that company has their servers. They own that data. And if they were to go out of business, for example, what happens to your data? If some power that be authority wanted to censor your information, the truth is they could easily do it because of the centralized network. But now we have new technologies that we're hearing about: blockchain, distributed networks. What is all of this stuff? Well, that's where OtterPocket comes in. It's a decentralized application where you can store any file, video, even host a website in a completely decentralized fashion. So your data is not on one single server. So we wanted to make this quick intro video on how you can use OtterPocket. Real quick, real simple. So we're here on our OtterPocket main website, and we want to go to our pocket, our OtterPocket. So believe it or not, it's this cute little button right here that we're going to click on. So we click on that. Bada bing, bada boom, we're on our OtterPocket website, our application website. And quick little note, this site and also the other site is hosted on this distributed network. It's called IPFS. So it means it can't be taken down. It can't be censored. So that's pretty neat. It's not on any single server, the information. So OtterPocket is a decentralized application. So that means to interact with it, we need some way to connect to this Web3. Because currently most browsers don't have that built-in capability. So the most common way right now, the most popular way right now is called MetaMask. MetaMask is a Web3 wallet. So to use OtterPocket, we have to install MetaMask. So we see here I have MetaMask installed. And then after we have MetaMask installed, it's a Google Chrome extension. So you can go to the Google Chrome store and download MetaMask. We need to connect MetaMask to the Polygon network. Polygon is the blockchain OtterPocket is built off of. Why Polygon? Well, basically because it's a lot cheaper. The transactions, the fees, the gas are a lot cheaper than Ethereum. So it's built off of Polygon. So we have to connect our MetaMask to the Polygon network. And to do that, we have to add a custom RPC, which is basically this gateway that MetaMask can talk to the Polygon network. So we have to fill all of this out, which is pretty simple. The network name, which we can add anything, but we're going to call it Polygon Network. The RPC URL, so this one is pretty important. This is the URL to connect to Polygon. So we can use this one, or if you go to our Medium article, OtterPocket.medium, we have a list of more RPC URLs you can use. And the chain ID, which is 137. And we have it already hooked up, which is why it's telling us it's already being used. And then we can use the currency, and the currency of Polygon is Matic. So you use Matic to pay for transaction fees. And this is optional, but to see your transactions on something called a scanner, an explorer. So you would hit save. I already have it connected, so I'm not going to hit save. I'm going to hit cancel. So you have your MetaMask connected to Polygon. You go to app.otterpocket.io. Bada bing, bada boom again. You see you are connected to Polygon network. If I was to connect to a different network, Ethereum, let's say, and refresh the page, it would tell us you're connected to Ethereum network. So it wouldn't work because OtterPocket is not built off of the Ethereum blockchain. So we're going to go back to Polygon. And now that we have this hooked up, we're going to refresh the page. And we're going to see, it can now see our balance of Matic, which is what we said is the currency of the Polygon network to pay for transactions. This is our address. So if we were to click on this, it would take us to our address on Polygon Scan. Or because blockchain is this public ledger, we can see all of our transactions, which you can see my transactions for this wallet. And then here we have our balance of Otter. So what is Otter? Basically, Otter is the currency we created to pay for the transactions of OtterPocket. Now we could have used a centralized bank or PayPal or something like that so we can pay for our coffee and development, but we decided to make our own decentralized token on the Polygon network. One file upload is always going to be around or less than 50 cents, the equivalent of Otter. So there's no monthly subscription. There's no paying more for the more data you use. It's just around 50 cents for every upload, which is pretty cool. So how can we upload something? Well, let's hit this big blue button, upload. And we're going to drop a file in here. So I'm going to drop a file right here. You can see the little thumbnail is Polygon. We're going to hit upload. We see other stuff like the size, the type. I'm going to hit upload. So what's happening now, it's MetaMask is going to ask me, hey, this dApp, this decentralized app wants to spin something called Otter. Is that okay? We're going to confirm that. Yeah, sure. Let's allow OtterPocket to spin their Otter for us. So we're going to wait for this to approve on the blockchain. It usually takes, oh, it's already done. So it says transaction is confirmed. Now we're going to actually upload to IPFS and upload that data to the blockchain. So I'm going to hit confirm. You can't see it, but MetaMask brought up a little window. So now we're going to wait for it to confirm. And it's already done. And the page is going to refresh. I'm going to help it refresh. The page is going to refresh. And we will see, wow, that was quick. The file is already in our pocket. If we wanted to see it, we can see our image that we uploaded. Pretty cool, right? So how is this working? Well, it uploaded it to a, as we mentioned earlier, a distributed network called IPFS. That's really the backbone of this new Web 3.0. And when it uploads it, it returns us a hash or an address of where this information can be found in this distributed peer-to-peer network. And we can use that hash to see our information. Let's take another example. Let's upload a website to OtterPocket. So we're not going to pay any uploading fees. We're going to, in seconds, upload and host a website. So I'm going to drop in a simple HTML document that has the code for this website. I'm going to say, hey, yep, you can approve to spend 1 Otter for us. We're going to wait for that to confirm. And the approval, the transaction at times depend on how much gas you use and also the congestion of the network. So we see it uploaded IPFS, it confirmed. Now we're going to upload that to the blockchain. We're going to wait for that transaction to confirm. And if we wanted to, we can click this because it's on the blockchain. We can see all transactions. So this has already been included. Okay, and we reload the page. And now we will see in our pocket from the blockchain this link that we just got back from IPFS as we uploaded our sample website. So what happens if we click on this? Just like that, instantaneously, we have not the prettiest website in the world, but a website that we just hosted in a couple minutes. not in any big server that took a while to host and upload this website, but a website on the decentralized web. How cool is that? You can share this link with your friends. You could point a domain name to this link, hamburgercatering.com, and they could see this. So there's a lot of exciting things happening right now with the web as it moves to this decentralized web 3.0, distributed network web. And there's a lot of exciting things happening with OtterPocket. We're really early on in development. So if you guys are interested and you want to find out more, for example, our Otter token will be launching in a couple weeks on an exchange. So if you guys want to find out more or you're interested in OtterPocket, I posted some links in the description. So I'm Gavin, and thank you so much for watching.